Smart technology drives the development of the times. Digital trade leads to bright prospects. Songlin Technology is advancing with the times, connecting the world, creating a new chapter of unlimited opportunities. Songlin Technology, Hubei Company Limited, is located in the national level Shiyan Automobile Parts Foreign Trade Transformation and Upgrading Base. Since 2008, after 17 years of development, under continuous exploration and iteration, based on Shiyan, Wuhan branch, and Shanghai branch were established. The storage area exceeds tens of thousands of square meters, and the operating products reach more than 10,000 kinds. It is the agent of Beiqi Foton, Shanxi Automobile Heavy Truck, Dongfeng Commercial Vehicle, ZF Group, Fleet Guard, Man Filter, and many other international famous brands. Songlin Technology has carefully constructed 5 core business segments: engine system, chassis system, body system, electronic and electrical system, and vehicle sales. Through the deep integration of data and industry, the company has established its own brand FCEC and independently produces its core products: AdBlue pumps, NOx sensors, and cylinder blocks and cylinder heads for the engines. FCEC products adopt the internationally leading quality management system, and the authorized factories strictly follow the OEM standards. According to the products, there are more than 400 authorized factories in China. Help accelerate productivity changes, continue to lead Chinese auto parts to globalization, and let the world see Made in China. The OA system, developed by Songlin Technology, adopts big data intelligent analysis technology to make office work more convenient and bring together global customers. The company's self-developed global auto parts e-commerce platform AutoFam has been put into use. Covering all types of products in the auto parts field, it can achieve rapid response, one-click access to customs, and push orders accurately without borders, reducing overall costs and improving the company's operating efficiency. Songlin Technology has become one of the leaders in the fields of intelligent manufacturing, digital new infrastructure, etc. After years of development, Songlin Technology has become a Chinese Customs AEO Advanced Certified Enterprise and has obtained a number of invention patents at home and abroad. It has served more than 6,000 customers, and its business covers 148 countries around the world. Songlin brand has established long-term partnerships with customers in many countries, forming a global trade network, and is gradually becoming a new fulcrum for China's auto parts foreign trade, with integrity as the cornerstone, dedication to quality assurance, innovation to promote development, gratitude to customers. Songlin Technology is determined to become the preferred service provider for global customers.